guys, I'm Adrian. I'm a member of the Visible Banking team. Since 2007, we've championed and curated social media and digital innovations for financial services. Did you know our team are now tracking well over 3,000 social media assets in over 80 plus countries? In this video series, we will review a wide range of iOS apps from banks, insurance, and financial services with a key focus on customers' perception and brand opportunity. So, in most financial institutions, an aim to turn savers into investors. That's their main aim, and gamification is one of the best ways to accomplish this goal. Today we will focus on an iPad game aiming to make investing fun and make people better at it. Today we're taking a look at Stock Wars Virtual Investing, one of the top investing apps in the App Store today. It's a free app, and it's a really detailed app, and as you can see here, it puts you in the fast-paced world of traders and big money. Take your shot and beat the markets. You get to set up your portfolio, see the real-world markets here. You can see the Dow, you can see the NASDAQ, S&P 500, the world markets, and go into detail here and create your portfolio. So I can get detailed information about the stocks here, really detailed information. I can see the intraday, the 5 days, the 1 month, the charts for the Dow Jones in this case. I can see any indicating news about the Dow market. You can see it has support for landscape and portrait mode as well, so a really nicely designed app at that. I can go into the portfolio here, and what this requires you to do is set up an account and set up your stocks. So you can buy your own stocks here, and then you get to choose to balance out your account and all this stuff. So you can choose to register and or log in. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account to go ahead and set up a portfolio. So you can see I'm logged in here. I just created my new portfolio. You can see I have no portfolio value as of current, but I can go ahead here and set up my portfolio. So what I can do is I can search to trade. I can see my balance here. I can see any this week, past day rank, etc. I can see the traders here and different traders online, so everybody else with their different account. I can see how much money they have accumulated, see their portfolios, their transaction histories, all of that good stuff. So obviously you got to start somewhere. So what you can do here is you can start searching the market. And for example, if I want to go into the NASDAQ and see Apple stock here, I can go in here and see Apple stock, and I can choose to see their portfolio charts, portfolio history, go into more details of their app here, and I can choose to even search for more apps to trade or stocks to trade and all that good stuff here. Really super detailed app, as you can see. You also have settings here. You can go to the options, see your account. You can log in with social networking if you want to do that. You can connect it to your Twitter account. You can see I have my Game Center hooked up to it, so it's nice. It has iOS integration with that of Game Center. Just a really full functional featured application. And after playing this game, again, it's that which builds confidence in that you get to really understand and get a feel for the markets in a virtual sense. And it makes you in a way to kind of like move away in a sense into the real world and kind of take more risks and dip your hand into real stocks, because I think after you realize how you can give it a go here, that you can actually do it with real money and make big investments and make some returns on investments. So I think this is a great way to kind of get your foot into the door with the stock market and then kind of transition that into the real world. And again, I think this is something definitely that banks, I'm a huge supporter that banks and big companies in general should definitely come into sponsor apps like these or bigger apps or develop their own apps. I feel like that, the gamification of games like these that take something so complicated like stocks and turning them into games is a great way to kind of get awareness out there. And banks would be wise to kind of sponsor things like this. Definitely would be a plus on their side. So rating this app, Stock Wars is one of the top out there. This gets a solid 9 out of 10. It's way more detailed than a lot of the other apps, and it's completely free, no light or other versions and stuff like that. You get a really fully featured app all in one application with tons of charts, tons of details, tons of up-to-date information with the stock. So it definitely gets a 9 out of 10 and would be something I would totally recommend to my friends if they were wanting to get a foot in with the virtual markets here. In terms of, again, the financial institution, it didn't really change my perception in that, it changed my perception, and this isn't really a sponsored app, but again, the whole gamification process, again, I'm a huge supporter of that. So what do you guys think of this app? Any suggestions for future app reviews? Join the conversation on our site or on our Twitter, @visible_banking on Twitter. If you've enjoyed the video, we invite you to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, and of course, visit visiblebanking.com to learn how to excel in digital engagement and achieve social media ROI. Thanks for watching.